Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing the top 20 coolest wood tools for clever woodworking. From innovative gadgets and precision cutting solutions to time-saving workshop essentials, these tools can help you work smarter, faster, and with greater accuracy. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these amazing woodworking tools are sure to impress.
DIY Cyclone Separator. The Dust Deputy 2.5 DIY Cyclone Separator is a high airflow pre-separator that captures up to 99.9% of dust and debris before it reaches your shop vacuum filter. Using centrifugal force and patented neutral vane technology, it reduces turbulence and improves separation efficiency. Its larger 2.5-inch ports maximize airflow for powerful wet/dry vacuums. Made from translucent anti-static resin, it minimizes static buildup and lets users monitor debris. The DIY kit includes a gasket and mounting hardware for easy installation. Wood plane. The Kindle wood plane is a professional milling disc built for fast, clean surface removal on soft and hardwood. Designed for standard 150mm and 125mm angle grinders with an M14 spindle, it runs up to 14,500 revolutions per minute. CNC, machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight and easy to control. 3 replaceable carbide inserts ensure long service life, while the chip thickness limiter enhances safety. It removes material as chips instead of dust, making woodworking cleaner and more efficient. Drill depth. Stop for drill bits. The Ruitool Drill Depth Stop is a smart adjustable collar set designed for precise and repeatable drilling depth. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, heat-resistant, and built for long-term use. A nylon inner ring grips the drill bit securely without scratching or slipping. The set includes small and large collars, fitting bits from 5/64ths of an inch to 7/16ths of an inch. Suitable for wood, metal, plastic, brick, and tile, it offers strong holding power for consistent professional results. Stair Tread Template Tool. The Suit NLF Prod. Stair Tread Template Tool is a professional, adjustable jig designed to capture exact tread lengths and end angles for precise cuts. Made from 4mm aviation-grade aluminum alloy, it features a CNC anodized, rust-resistant finish and clear laser-etched scales. Its modular extension rods adjust from 10.5 to 60.5 inches, with rotating plates up to 270 degrees. A double nut locking system ensures stability, while rubber washers provide smooth control. Ideal for stairs, shelves, and flooring projects. Door Hinge Jig Kit. The Victor U Direct. Door Hinge Jig Kit is a versatile router template designed to create clean, professional hinge mortises without manual chiseling. Made from durable ABS engineering plastic, it fits standard 1 3/8 inch to 1 3/4 inch doors and cuts mortises from 3 inches to 5 inches. It supports 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, and square corners with a built-in depth gauge for flush results. Anti-slip pads enhance stability. The kit includes a router bit, self-centering hinge bit, screwdriver bit, guides, wrench, and manual. Bevel plus Mitered Box. The Wolfcraft. Bevel and Mitered Box is a practical 2-in-1 solution for accurately measuring room corners and cutting precise mitre joints. Ideal for baseboards and skirting boards, especially in older homes with uneven angles. It features an automatic angle bisector and flexible locking arms for error-free transfer. Available in 70mm and 100mm capacity models, it supports angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees. Lightweight and versatile, it works well with wood, plastic and mouldings. Shelf Pin Jig. The Rui tool. Shelf pin and hinge jig. 2-in-1 AM1-CB-RUI is a durable all-metal cabinet hardware tool built from CNC machined aluminum alloy with a wear-resistant finish. It supports the 32mm system, drilling 7 or 11 holes per pass with 37mm, 50mm, and 64mm offsets and dual 1/4 inch and 5mm bits. An indexing pin ensures continuous, accurate rows. The reverse side drills standard 35mm concealed hinge cups with 3 to 6mm edge, adjustment, and integrated clamping for fast, precise installations. Workbench and Vice. The Stanley 2-in-1. Workbench and Vice is a professional portable workstation built with a durable bamboo top and strong steel frame. Its unique flip jaw design enables vertical clamping, perfect for oversized materials. The Vice opens up to 290mm and supports loads up to 250 kilograms. With dual working heights, adjustable swivel pegs, V-grooves for pipes, and one-handed operation, it delivers versatility and stability. Folding flat and weighing about 15 kilograms, it's easy to transport and store. PushStick. The Milescraft 3404. PushStick is a bright yellow, high-visibility safety tool that keeps hands safely away from table saws, router tables, and jointers. Its tilted, extra-tall handle offsets the hand from blades, while a narrow 3/4 inch base suits thin ripping cuts. A rear foot hook enables push-pull control, and the TPE high traction base prevents slipping without damaging wood. Lightweight and sturdy, it offers a natural, secure grip, making it a highly trusted choice among woodworkers for safe, precise cutting. Electrician Hole Saw Set. The Trend 6-piece. Electrician Hole Saw Set, model HS/SET/6, is a professional grade kit designed for electricians. Featuring bimetal M42 8% cobalt teeth, it delivers long-lasting performance and smooth cutting through timber, plastics, steel, and more. The set includes 6 popular sizes, 16mm to 51mm, with 38mm drilling depth, quick release arbor, anti-creep pilot drill, and drive pins for easy use. All components come in a heavy-duty carrying case, making it ideal for clean, precise cuts in cable runs, conduit, and gland installations. Mitered Box. The Rockler Corner. Key doweling jig is a precision joinery tool that strengthens mitered box corners by drilling 45-degree angled holes for dowels. These dowels act like splines, reinforcing weak end grain joints while offering a decorative effect, especially with contrasting wood or metal inserts. Featuring moulded reference lines, a clear alignment window, and a zero clearance backer board, it ensures accuracy and reduces tear out. Durable polymer construction, hardened steel guides, and interchangeable drill sizes make it versatile, easy to use, and ideal for creative woodworking designs. Wood lathe. The Grizzly G0995. Growltech trademark is a 24.5-inch heavy-duty wood lathe featuring advanced digital variable reluctance (DVR) technology for smooth, consistent power. Its 3 HP DVR motor automatically adjusts to spindle load, delivering speeds from 100 to 5,000 RPM with 8 programmable presets and assisted braking. Boasting a 24.5-inch swing, 30.5 inches between centres, expandable to 48.5 inches, a pivoting headstock, and spindle indexing, it handles large and detailed projects efficiently. Safety and convenience features include idle shutdown, dust management, swing away bed, tool storage, and a foot switch. Mobile drilling aid, the Wolfcraft. Mobile drilling aid series offers versatile guides for precise drilling without a fixed press. The AccuMobile 4685000 enables quick 90-degree holes on flat surfaces, edges, and pipes, while the mobile drilling aid for Forstner Bits 4686000 handles larger hinge and wood bit holes up to 35mm. Features include lateral limit stops for consistent spacing, secure C-clamp mounting, and optional dust extraction. The multi-angle drill guide 4525404 allows angled drilling up to 45 degrees, spring-loaded return, adjustable depth, and easy mandrel attachment for standard drill chucks. Triple Blade Edge Planer, the Wolfcraft. Triple Blade Edge Planer, Model 4 009000, is a precision drywall tool designed to bevel gypsum plasterboard edges at a consistent 35-degree angle in a single pass. Its triple blade system ensures clean, smooth cuts without sanding, while the ergonomic cradle offers controlled guidance for both beginners and professionals. Compatible with 9.5mm and 12.5mm boards, it features replaceable trapezium blades for long-term use. Ideal for new boards, it guarantees professional-grade joints and reduces cracking risks in plastered surfaces. Portable Saw Featherboard, the Bow Products. FP5. Feather Pro Portable Saw Featherboard is a professional safety accessory designed for job site and compact saws. Its innovative EVA, high-density foam, feathers provide 5 times more kickback resistance than traditional plastic or wood. The flexible feathers ensure smooth material feed, prevent dangerous projectiles, dampen vibrations for cleaner cuts, and protect delicate surfaces. Easy to mount with mitre bars or T-tracks, fully adjustable and modular for replacement or reversal, the FP5 combines superior safety, precision, and durability. Forstner Bit Set. The Kendo Forstner Bit Set is a professional woodworking kit for drilling clean, flat-bottomed, and splinter-free holes in hardwood, softwood, and materials like plastic or plywood. Featuring ultra-sharp cutting teeth and a centering tip, these bits ensure precise, tear-free holes ideal for hinges, cabinets, and furniture projects. Made from heat-treated alloy or carbon steel, they offer durability and shock resistance. Available in multiple set sizes, the bits fit standard drill chucks and come in protective cases for easy storage and transport. Savage ProScribe. The Swanson Savage. ProScribe is a versatile magnetic tape measure designed for builders and contractors who need precise scribing and marking without extra tools. Its patented retractable scribe guide transfers straight lines, arcs, and circles directly onto surfaces like drywall or OSB. Features include a centering pin for perfect circles, scoring support for pencils or knives, dual-sided high visibility markings, a durable nylon-coated blade, magnetic dual hooks, and a rugged non-slip housing with an easy lever action belt clip for job site convenience. Sleeveless sanding drums. The Infinity Tools. Sleeveless sanding drums let woodworkers and hobbyists wrap standard sheet sandpaper directly onto the drum, eliminating pre-made sleeves. Their sleeveless locking mechanism secures the paper tightly, while the TPR-coated body reduces vibration and prevents slipping. With less than 1 mm swing amplitude, these drums deliver precise, consistent sanding. Compatible with drill presses and handheld drills, they save money, allow any grit usage, and excel at shaping curves, sanding internal holes, and finishing intricate furniture or sculpture projects efficiently. Sandit. The Milescraft 1622. Sandit is a versatile 4-in-1 manual sanding block ideal for small woodworking projects. Its patented multi-sided design features concave, convex, flat, and tight edge profiles, allowing precise finishing on curves, corners, and flat surfaces with one tool. The snap lock system makes changing sandpaper quick and easy, while its universal fit supports any standard 1/4 sheet. Lightweight yet durable, it comes with a 150 grit sheet, making it perfect for intricate sanding tasks, though less suited for large-scale material removal. ProScribe tool. The Tracer. ProScribe tool, model APST2, is a professional multifunctional marking and scribing accessory ideal for carpentry, joinery, and flooring. With an articulated design supporting over 15 applications, it handles parallel marking, profile scribing, and compass tasks with precision. The kit includes the Tracer Deep Hole construction pencil for deep or specialized marking, featuring graphite and wax leads, a built-in sharpener, and a portable holster. Durable, compact, and ambidextrous, it ensures reliable control, though bolts may need occasional tightening under heavy use.